Hello, today we are going to talk about the Insta360 Flow Creator Kit. This is a new gimbal, and it bills itself as the AI-powered stabilizer for a smartphone. In my case, it is going to be for the Apple iPhone. This is how it comes. The only difference is that it has shrink wrap on it. So of course I've taken the shrink wrap off. Now, kind of an interesting box. You see the two-part. And it's got all kinds of info in the backs and some pretty pictures on the sides. What we're going to do here is open it up. And it comes, you can see here, with this, which is just a foam piece that shows you to get the app. So you can use the QR code to get the app, and then you can open it this way and you get this. Or you can, of course, pull this out and you get the smartphone gimbal. Okay. And here you get something that doesn't want to come out easily. Okay, well, this can come off. It was not easy to get out. And now, inside this, you have, so this is the case that you are given to carry it in. It has little things here for a loop to go on. Here you have, let's see, let's get something to cut that open and make it a little easier. Okay. And now you have, okay, how does this come open? So you get this open. It fights you a little bit, but you've got this to pull on to get the whole thing out. That gets this out, and you can now open it. This is for the bag. Oops, this is for the bag. Then you have several pieces, and of course you have this, which has the pieces in here. Okay, and then you can just, with your hand underneath it, pop that out in your hand. Set that aside, and this is the light. This is part of what comes in the Creator Kit. You can see it's got this little mount here, USB-C cable to it. Okay, you have InstaFlow Quick Start Guide. You've got a spotlight instructions, you've got safety guidelines, a warranty card, and then this, which shows how to plug it into your phone, into your gimbal. Okay. This fits on the handle, so this is going to fit here. You slide it on this way to give you a better grip. And then they give you, okay, this is a USB-C to USB-C again, but it's got this little angle here. Okay, and then finally you have a USB-C to Lightning cable. And as I mentioned, I do have an Apple phone, so this is going to be what I need for that, to be able to work with it. It's a little easier to get out, but not much. And again, this side is the USB-C, this side is the Apple. And finally, we have this, which, okay, so it came with another, a USB-C to USB-A. And then it came with silica, which is oh so important, but can be useful to reuse. And it looks like you just kind of pop this out. Yeah, there. And this is what you're going to use to attach your smartphone. And it does come with this little pull here, which says place phone facing up. So you're supposed to place the phone that way. Now, I don't usually do unboxing videos. I just thought I'd do this because this is the first time I've gotten a new gimbal, and it's very, very new to the market, and I thought people might be interested in what's in it. And so if you're interested in learning more about this gimbal, let me know in the comments below. And thank you for watching. Solo Sue signing out.